What up, y'all? MC day today, Monte Carlo, Super Sport. This is my 84 project. I know it ain't the best looker, but she's mine. Got my guy coming through. We about to do some wrenching and get this thing fired up again, and hopefully good enough to start cruising it around. As is, yep. I don't give a shit. We rolling. We rolling, man. Originally a California car. Ended up in Arizona with my cousin. That's where I got it from. Right on, Jules, for hooking me up, man. Appreciate you. A little bit of work should be all right. The center console, the bread box, door panels, everything. I got my suspension right here. UMI, drop kit, which is gonna go in there pretty soon. As soon as we get it registered and rolling and running right, put the suspension on there. Then we're gonna fix the interior up, clean up the interior. Haven't decided much yet what direction to go with the paint. It was already prepped, to be honest, man. It was prepped. It was ready to get painted, but life happens, and life happens, man. And the guy who owned it, he didn't get around to getting it painted. He had to let it go. My cousin ended up with it, who had plans for it, and not really sure what his plans were, but it's mine now, so we're gonna get it going.
Do it again. Do it again. One more time.
Oh shit,
Okay.
too much.
That was too much.
We-
Do it again, hold on.
We're looking for top dead center right now.
Bump it. Okay, hold on. Bump it.
Just fire it. All right, here we go. Here it is. Back to life. Back to life. I'm gonna set the timing right. Get it close to where it needs to be. Then we're gonna see where we at with that. Carburetor might still need a little bit of adjustment, but we're gonna see.
Okay, turn it off.
So my guy T right here, man, he got me right. The car's run. It sounds good. It sounds better than it ever has in the short 3 months I've had it. T, go on, man, and let these people know your business, man.
Man, it's bottom to the top. I'm out here in Vegas. 702-559-5713. If you ever need any maintenance, service, fabrication, customization, you're more than welcome to give me a call. Like I said, I'm T. Over here
That's
hooking
any
up
car, right?
any car, any year, make, model. I don't care if you got a Rat Rod or if you got the new Rolls Royce. You
See?
Come on, come holler at me, come see me. I'm gonna help you out, put you in good hands. My man Don, he ready to rock and roll.
See, that's what I'm talking
You
about.
see
man.
this in the streets, You better be prepared and watch out because he's coming for you.
Yeah. See, you got me right, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all heard it. Y'all heard the fire up. So, yeah, we're going to hit the block real soon. We're going to get them registered. We're going to come out this summer, man. We rolling. I don't care if it looked like that, man. I told y'all, man, we rolling, man. I don't need no frame off. Nah, man. Not me. We rolling. You going to see me. Yeah, man. Cool car. I like these wheels. These are probably my favorite Hot Wheels that's out. I probably should have did a chrome. If it was chrome, it would be killer. Yeah, buddy. What's going on, y'all? We're here today at Dowtown Summerlin. Farmers market. A lot of local foods, veggies. We got some fish here. All type of stuff going on here. Some fresh greens. Let's check it out. See what we got going on. One of my favorite snacks to pick up when we come up here is chocolate brownie hummus. Oh my God, it's fire. Fresh berries, very delicious. So we got some fruits already. Let's see what else we can get. So you can come out here and grab some breakfast while you do some shopping. Or you get a hatchet. So here in downtown Summerlin, every Saturday, they do this farmers market. Downtown Summerlin, it's a shopping center. Yep, they got all kind of stores out here, restaurants, outdoor mall. You never been out here? Come check it out. Beautiful setting. Some good stuff? Yeah. All right. Let's see what they got here. This is the creamy avocado sauce. Oh yeah. You good stuff? I'm here for the samples. No frescas on deck. Farmers market, it's underneath the covered area of downtown Summerlin. Good cheeseburger. Empanadas. Oh my god. Oh my god. Got me a beef pie. The beef pie. Flaky, crusty. Mm. Mm. It's crispy, it's soft and flaky. I thought this was beef.
What is that? Is that cheese in there?
It's supposed to be like a beef pie. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what's inside.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's creamy.
Somebody else will do that too. He wants some too. He wants ice.
Oh yeah. He always wants some. Yeah, I'm not mad at this. There's the beef. Huh? It's gonna go on YouTube, yeah. Yeah.
What's inside?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Save that for later and go for that. Well, my dog don't know how to act. He want to play with all the dogs and run around and jump around and be all crazy and stuff. A little too much for me to handle. We're gonna cut out of here and gonna go swimming in the casino. This is the Cancun Hotel, Las Vegas Boulevard.
Our room is over there.
I thought I was gonna get in the pool, but my fingers are fully frozen right now still from the chemo side effects. So I'm just let my kids do their thing, have some fun for a little bit. Check it out. There's water slides inside there. All right, show off. Gears and Grind. First and third Sundays. Gears and Grinds. Looks like Cars and Coffees with the also with these guys in the Hot Wheel meet. So I'm gonna go check out some Hot Wheels and then go check out the cars that's out here.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's dope.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. $12. Oh, it's a nice one right here. Too bad I'm not collecting JDMs no more. I need the Camaro from the convention. No Grand Nationals from the M2 Grand National?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, you do got this one.
I had an M2 one.
I got a bunch of these.
Yeah,
I got a bunch of Hot Wheel Grand Nationals
The
already.
one that just came out, the M2.
You got it?
I didn't bring it.
Oh
I
man.
just got it yesterday, man.
Yeah, I need one of those.
You one of those?
Yeah. G bodies, man. That's it, man.
I thought I was the only one.
I had to narrow my collection down, man. Collecting too many cars, man.
Yeah.
I'm
That's why I'm trying to give
muscle cars only now. That's
trying
it.
to give back to people. You know?
I hear you. I think I'm gonna get this one right here though.
The truck is nice.
Best price so far too. I'm gonna take the truck. Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay.
Tap, all that. We, take
I don't got tap.
we got swipe too.
If you got change, I'll just take the change. It'll be easier. I got 20.
I was just talking gas.
No, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Swipe, but what,
Sweet deal. Thank you guys so much.
What's all for 60? I know we go for 80 to 100.
All right, I got my Coke. Dooley. The Super. Pick up the Super. The Bel Air. There you go, man. Thank you, brother. Yep, from a raffle. Facebook group. Yeah, I still want this guy. I got these guys already. Yep. Ooh, Chase. That's a clean one right there. Ooh.